Using your Clover Kitchen Display is simple and easy. Note: first, your kitchen display must be activated from your Clover device before following along. First, we are going to open up our Register app. A customer comes in and orders a carne asada taco. So we will select carne asada in the meat category, and then salsa for our extra. Let's say they also ordered a chicken burrito and no guacamole. Now, when we hit the Pay button at the bottom of the screen, it will fire this order off to the kitchen. Switch to our KDS screen. We can see our order is here under the number 1 ticket. You have your order number, the time it was ordered, as well as where the order was placed. For example, this one says in store. If the order was placed online or DoorDash, that would appear here. The account settings are set for orders to turn yellow after 3 minutes. This lets us know that the order is approaching delayed. When the order is in delayed status, it will then turn red. This is set to 5 minutes, but you can customize that time frame in the settings. On the right, we have 2 examples of orders delayed and 1 in the caution status. You can change these times and other settings if you hit the gear on the top left. You can see the Settings menu opens. There are lots of settings you can change in here. We will not go over all of them today, but some of the settings you can change are KDS name, display mode, ticket layout, ticket interaction, time format, and ticket timing. The KDS also has the ability to fire separate courses like appetizers, main, and dessert per ticket. You can connect your kitchen printer so your orders will print as well as display on your KDS. If we hit the back button, this will bring you back to the main screen again. As the kitchen finishes each item, you can check the items off as you go, like so. If the order is completed all at once, you can also select the 3 dots on the order and hit Mark Ready, like so. To see completed orders, hit Show Ready on the top right-hand corner. Here you can see the completed orders. If for some reason the order is not completed, or it was completed mistakenly, you can hit the Orders Back button here, and it will send back to the active screen. Another way to use the KDS with your Clover devices is through the dining app. This would be the ideal way a sit-down restaurant can take orders. Let's do a quick walkthrough. Back on our Clover device, select the Clover Dining app. First, select the table you are adding an order for. Let's add our order. Guest 1 will have the pollo tacos. Guest 2 will have the carne asada burrito. And guest 3 will have a pollo enchilada. Now we hit the Fire All button to send the table's order to the kitchen. When we switch back to our KDS, we see our ticket is already in there. As you can see, the Clover KDS is easy to use. For more how-to videos, go to appstar.net/help.